The OBS-18 Orbital sander is ideal for sanding projects where the floor is flat and in good condition, and the goal of the project is to remove the floor coating so new coating can be applied. This is a very easy machine to use. To install the sandpaper, make sure the machine is not plugged into a power outlet. Lay the machine on its back so you have access to the bottom of the sander. Install a white or red pad onto the bottom of the machine by pushing the pad into the grip face. Remove the backing from the sandpaper and then attach it to the pad so the adhesive side is on the pad and the sandpaper side faces outward. To operate the machine, plug the sander into a wall outlet. Release the handle and let it float in a comfortable operating position. While holding the handle with both hands, first push in and hold the safety switch, and then squeeze the handle. Once the machine starts, you can release the safety switch. This is an orbital machine, so you don't have to sand in line with the grain of the wood. You can sand in any direction, allowing the machine to do the work. Make sure you empty the dust bag regularly. The bag slips off the dust pipe and can be emptied into a trash receptacle by opening the zipper. On rare occasions, the removal of certain floor coatings through the process of sanding can create a fire hazard inside the bag, so never leave the sander unattended without first emptying the dust bag. Depending on the condition of the floor, expect a piece of sandpaper to cover anywhere from 10 to 40 square feet before needing to be replaced. The orbital sander can also be used for a screen and recoat process, which is similar to sanding, but instead of using sandpaper, you use an abrasive screen. This process scuffs up the top coat of finish instead of completely removing it, which then allows you to apply a fresh coat of finish to the floor.